Hi, I'm Sergio Pinello. This is Andrew Hapgood, and this is our final dance instructor project for our microprocessors lab. All right. Um, One of the few things that we wanted in this lab, we had to go through salsa, country, and waltz dancing, and it has to go through as a menu. And through this, due to the fact that the majority of the class got the ADC wrong, we fixed that, and that's why it's late. So
Or even using two accelerometers for each of your foot, because that's the point of your body that has most acceleration while you're dancing.
So Andrew's going to go over more of the technical aspects, and just as a contributing portion, my portion of the lab was to input all the instructions, so maybe the evaluatee could understand what was going on, what they needed to do. Okay, so Andrew, here, go over it.
Alright, so I'm going to run through our demo. You want to show the screen?
Yeah.
Alright, so we start with a simple message to welcome the user. And right now we have it set up so it will cycle through each of the dance with brief instructions on it.
Yeah.
How it works is the two accelerometers will be oriented like this, with the X arrow pointing to the left, because the way it's written in the code is that the X direction in the left side is negative. I'm sorry, positive. Alright, so how these accelerometers work is they hold a 10-bit value that can be read through the microcontroller. So that 10-bit value means it will be in the range between 0 and 1024. That means its resting value is at 512. So a positive change in the acceleration will give a value between 512 and 1024. While the opposite will be between 0 and 512. So that's how we were able to tell what direction the user was stepping. And the rest of the project was simply mapping or just setting a set of for loops with enough time for those loops to determine if the user was able to accelerate their foot in that direction to go along with the dance. Do you want to explain the rest?
More or less, what we were able to accomplish in the end was that we can have the accelerometers accurate to a majority of the time be accurate and understand what's going on, let you know, as you can see right now, if you missed a step or not. And we were able to so that it could follow with a beat. So normally a beat's 1 beat per second per song. So waltz, which is right, left, right, back, left to the left, and following that section. Then country, which is more of a walking motion with the exception of a half step on the right foot. And more or less, the process is real simple and real easy to follow. Other than that, I mean, a majority of the issues that we had to deal with was just a majority of wiring and code base, just to get a better understanding of how the ADC worked. Other than that, everything has worked perfectly. And granted, it's wired right now, but we just need to connect it with long enough wires, which we don't have. But other than that, in theory, it should work. So other than that, this is our final dance instructor, as you can see, working. If you have any,
it's not working right now.
Or
this will be held leveled.
There you go.
What dance is playing right now?
Okay, the dance, it's salsa.
It's gonna shake it right now.
Yeah.
It should hit the values that I set for it. Yeah, I set it to be like a very minor threshold.
And then missed 2, and then now
2 out of 8, so that's not that bad.
And then it's like this is through waltz. Now it's cycling through waltz. Shaky, 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 shaky.
Oh, you're only shaking in one direction. That's me.
Yeah, I know. All right. And then this is country. Multiple directions. See we're getting close, and then
missed 4. You shake them in one direction.
Yeah. So other than that, everything looks like it works, and H pretty much.
You can tell from the code it's working. I rewrote those libraries for the ADC to be more readable and writable.
Yeah. I mean, other than that, I mean, there's a lot of more research that we had to go into that that.
This is explaining the code.
Yeah. So other than that, thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to email us, and we'll get back to you right away. Have a good one.